So guys, this is Mirik Lake. By the way, it feels like it's similar to OOTY. This is 4K 60 from a GoPro. This will be POV type. I don't know how will be the audio. I am not shooting with any external mic. This is inbuilt mic. The breeze is nice. We can see some boating available here, so this is nice. I don't know how will be the brightness and all, but this is how is the lake, and the boats are available for boating. You can have horse ride also in the distance, if you can see it, that is also available. So let me take a slow. In the beautiful pine trees behind, you can also have a horse riding, or you can also walk.